I had an amazing conversation the other day with a friend of mine, and we were discussing, manifesting and bringing things into your life. And out of nowhere, I was just like, well, what you seek is seeking you. And I'm like, I didn't come up with that. That's a quote. And I'm pretty sure it's Khalil Gibran. It's not, it's Rumi. And anyway, the whole Khalil Gibran thing led into this whole talk about, Islam and different things about that and about staying present and in the present moment. And that'll be for a totally different video. But right now, I kind of want to talk about what you seek is seeking you. I think some people, when they hear that, they get blown away because it's so profound. And then other people are just like, yeah, cool quote, bro. Like, who cares? What do you mean? That means nothing. What, $1 million is out there looking for me? And, you could laugh at that, but the truth is yeah, kinda. I mean, not really, but sort of. So I think what you seek is seeking you. You have to understand it from an energetic level, okay? So everything in the universe, everything that we know of, everything that we can conceive, it's all energy. This isn't, some hokey pokey mumbo jumbo nonsense. It's legitimately true. Scientifically proven, it's settled fact. Everything is energy, especially as you get closer and you look in a microscope and you look down at matter, you find that you're looking at basically atoms with immense amounts of space in between them. And you know what? I'm not even going to get into the science of it because there are so many people who can speak on the science so much better than I can. Go look up Dr. Joe Dispenza. He really beautifully puts together how to kind of blend the metaphysical and the scientific in a beautiful way. And he explains the biochemical processes that go on in the body, the neurological responses when you meditate, which, by the way, meditation is the key to everything. But I'm totally off topic here. So what you seek is seeking you. Everything is energy, right? We know that energy attracts of like kind. So when you want something in your life, you have to be able to shift yourself into the frequency of the thing that you want. So that means that if let's use a radio station as an analogy. So if you're tuned into 98.7, but you're trying to listen to 100.3, you're not really going to get there. You have to actually tune the radio to 100.3 to listen to what's playing on that channel. Much like radio waves, and radio stations are transmitting radio waves at all times. We can't see them. We don't know that they're there, but we know that they're there. It's the same thing with energy, and you're projecting or you're emitting energy or an energetic field at all times. And so if you can raise your vibration to the thing that you're looking to get, that's how you get there. And so when you raise your energetic vibration to that frequency, then the thing that you're looking for is going to be attracted to you. And that's what it means by what you seek is seeking you. So then the question then becomes, how do you raise your vibration and how do you raise your frequency? And the answer is always going to be meditation. Now, you have to take whatever works for you and apply that in your life. If you are into yoga and you meditate that way, amazing. That's my background and it's worked for me brilliantly. Dr. Joe Dispenza, actually, I know I brought him up twice now in this one video, but he offers a whole bunch of different meditation techniques that are phenomenally wonderful. Yep, I'm going to say that. And you could listen to Deepak Chopra. Kelly Howell has a bunch of guided meditations on iTunes. That's a great place to start. I have a lot of experience in the meditation field. I meditate every day between 2 and 5 times a day, which, by the way, as a quick little aside, if you look at the religion of Islam and how they pray 5 times a day, there's something there. I don't even want to get into that right now. We're going to save that for a different thing because I think all religions basically come from the same place, and all the rituals and different things that are inherent in every religion are meant to keep you in the present moment. And if you can stay in the present moment, that's where the magic happens. So what you seek is seeking you is really all about raising your vibration to match that which you're looking for, and then it can't help but be attracted to you. So you will get what you're looking for if you can raise your frequency. What you seek is seeking you. You just have to get to the right vibration.